You two. It's a lovely day outside and you sat inside.
I'd rather be sat inside.
Freddie, you've still not even had a look at the car yet.
Yeah, we're not right bothered on that.
Oh, Freddie, just come.
No.
Freddie.
No.
So here it is, look. Come and look. Look at the tyres, so.
Yeah, good, I'm going in.
Oh, you haven't even looked, have you?
No.
Wow. Them two were ungrateful. Right, you two didn't even have a look at the car.
Yeah, because we're not bothered. So what are you two up to today? Pedro and Candy.
We're just having a nice chat.
Yeah, would you rather be inside or outside? Please say inside.
Outside?
Inside for me. Anyway, Mummy, I've got my Christmas list ready. I want to show you, but not yet. I've still got a couple of things I want.
Swipe. Christmas list.
Yeah, things I want you to buy me, and you better say yes.
No, I am asking for help stupid, are you?
No.
So if you are, I'm not buying your help.
Hang on, Mummy. That's one. Hang on, Mummy. Go and sit with them and I'll show all three in you.
Swoop's doing his Christmas list, apparently.
Really?
Yes, really.
Hang on, Mummy. Is everybody excited to see me?
Yeah,
My Christmas list?
yeah.
Pedro, you better say yes to this.
Alright.
Okay, Mummy. I've got some things here.
What?
Sit with him, Mummy, so I can show all in you. Okay, Mummy, I want you to buy me this from Walmart. This bowl.
Walmart? We're not in America, Sweep.
We are, Mummy. I want you to buy me this big sticker book.
Really?
This Mickey Mouse cup. Yes.
No.
And a toilet roll.
We've got plenty of them, idiot.
So,
Sweep, stop being stupid. Come on, what
so
do you...
am I allowed that then?
No.
Why?
They even said no to Freddie, even though he's old enough.
Well, that's Freddie's option if he wants to play it.
Whatever.
Well, you can't dictate if Freddie plays it or not. Mummy, just buy me the disc.
You might be able to download it on your Xbox.
No, I don't want to download it. I want the disc. Pedro, will you buy it me?
I'll see, Swoop.
Candy, will you?
No!
Even though you're not eating.
Freddie, alright, Freddie.
How about this, Mummy?
Whoa.
Me and Freddie are just about to go to GameStop, okay? It's about to get the disc.
Like I've just said, we're not in America.
Well, whatever then, we're still going downtown.
Yeah, good. What? Downtown?
Yeah, we're going down to...
Yeah, you're going to catch Nanny's bus then?
Yeah.
1 hour later. Oh, I hope they haven't bought a silly game, have they?
Right, we're back, Mummy.
Wow.
We've got 3 games here.
Alright, I hope we're age appropriate.
Yeah, Lego City Undercover, Marvel Avengers, and Marvel Superheroes 2.
Yeah, I thought you already had them.
No, we didn't, Mummy, because apparently you get them away.
I didn't.
I really want that disc, Mummy, that Call of Duty.
Alright, we'll see. We'll have a talk about it now. Do you want us to buy?
Yeah, if you want.
You want us to buy?
Bye.